when they step, better step right. Step up in my kitchen with the chef dice. Cooking, I come out from my left, right. I got season and I do it just right. When I'm stepping in, they think I'm blessing the kitchen. I got my grandma and my app and I'm the chef in the kitchen. I think they really should be happy cause I'm blessing the kitchen. Just roll a dice and with you, I send it to chef in the kitchen. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Hey. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you right. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you right. Like, share, subscribe.
Yes, sir. Welcome to your boy channel. About to make it happen again in this good kitchen. So what I'm about to put together is a delicious ground turkey lasagna my way. So we have our ground turkey right there. We have our taco seasoning, our tortillas, flour tortillas, olives, refried beans. We're about to get cooking in this good kitchen. And it's gonna be healthy, you know what I mean? It's gonna be a nice, healthy meal. Alright, so here we go right here. I went ahead and let it just cook. I drank the grease out, whatever grease I had at the bottom. So we'll hit it with some complete seasoning. And we'll add our refried beans. I'm gonna mix that refried beans in with that ground turkey. So once I'm ready to spread it on my tortillas, it could just spread out. Just breaking it up. Like that there. Alright, we'll do the other can. Come on out, fella. Looking right. Alright, so now we'll add our water. And then we'll add our taco seasoning. Put it on both parts. mixing in. I'll boil it, see if we need any more water. Now that water's gonna help cook that refried beans. Alright, so that's it right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this cook for like 5 minutes. Let that water cook out of it for like 5 minutes. Alright, so I sprayed some oil in there. So now what we'll do, go ahead and lay these tortillas down. Just like that there. This one, just flatten it. Just like that. Make sure you cover it. That looks good. Smell good too. Smell real good. And take your cheese and just boom. It's Kobe Jack cheese right here. You can use any cheese you want. Hands is clean. You know, your wood been cooking for a long time, so you gotta be a clean cook. All right, boom. Alright. So we're gonna add some more cheese on top. Like that there. And then we're just gonna add the rest of our cheese. Spread it on there. ounce of cheese right there. Got these olives, put on there. And now I'm going to go ahead and throw this in the oven on 350 for 30 minutes. So that's how we looking right there. That looks good. Alright, so we'll go ahead and slice through it. Just like that. That's supposed to be bomb. Alright, there we go right there. Now I'm about to get it on a nice plate. We'll make it happen. Alright, so here we go right here. It's like ground turkey lasagna. My way. Looking good. Nice cheap meal put together. Feed a big family. A big family. So your boy made it happen in his good kitchen. You know what I mean? Got to do another one for the good family and friends. Now that I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget to hit that bell notification. Like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Hit nice.